Minimalism is gaining popularity around the world, and gamers and PC builders are following suit, which is why we're listing down our research on the best minimalist PC cases that simplifies the search for incredible low-profile, yet less stressful to build custom minimalist computers for the benefits of owning less and becoming minimalist with the freedom of choice. Pro gamers put less focus on bulky looks rather than performance. On the other hand, minimalists prefer to have a neat appearance at a low cost that value various useful perks in the same package. With this in mind, we've listed all of the best sleek, minimal aesthetics chassis that blend in with your minimalist setups rather than standing out with rave RGBs. Our minimalist mid-tower cases do not require additional spending and are priced between the lower $60 and upper $100 range. When carrying out business-related tasks, from editing to gaming, without disturbing your peaceful environment, you can count on a quiet performance PC case that doesn't draw too much attention to become your future custom computer.